Are you looking for a smartphone that won't break the bank but still packs in some solid features? Let's talk about the Infinix Smart 9 HD, a device that promises a lot at an affordable price. Stay tuned to find out if it's worth your attention. In this video, we're going to break down everything you need to know about the Infinix Smart 9 HD, from the design to the performance and everything in between, design and build quality. The first thing you'll notice about this phone is its solid build. It has a glass front, and while the back and frame are plastic, it feels quite sturdy in your hands. With dimensions of 165.7 by 77.1 by 8.4 mm and weighing in at 188 grams, it's comfortable to hold without being too heavy. Plus, it's splash and dust resistant with an IP54 rating, which is pretty cool for a budget device. Now, the 6.7-inch display is what stands out the most. It's an IPS LCD screen with a refresh rate of 90 Hz. The 720 by 1600 resolution won't blow you away, but it's sharp enough for daily tasks like browsing, watching videos, or checking social media. At 500 nits, it's bright enough to use outside without much trouble. Performance. Inside, the device runs on the MediaTek Helio chipset with either 3GB or 4GB of RAM, depending on the variant. The octa-core CPU, running at 2.2 GHz, handles most apps and games well enough. Multitasking is smooth, but if you're a heavy gamer, don't expect top-tier performance. But for casual gaming and regular tasks, it should work fine. Storage. When it comes to storage, the Infinix Smart 9 HD comes with two options: 64GB with 3GB RAM or 64GB with 4GB RAM. You also have the option to expand storage with a microSD card, so you won't run out of space for your apps, photos, and videos. Camera. Moving to the cameras, it has a 13MP main camera with autofocus and a couple of features like dual LED flash, HDR, and panorama mode. For a budget phone, the camera is decent enough for everyday photos. The 8MP selfie camera, complete with an LED flash, ensures that your selfies are clear, even in low light. Battery. Now, let's talk about the battery. With a 5000 mAh capacity, you can easily get through a full day of use. When it's time to charge, it supports 10W wired charging, so you won't have to wait too long to get back to using your phone. Other features. The phone has a fingerprint sensor on the side, which is quick and reliable. For music lovers, there are stereo speakers, and it still has a 3.5mm headphone jack, which is a big plus for many users. Connectivity-wise, you get Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, and USB Type-C. However, don't expect NFC or infrared features. So, is the Infinix Smart 9 HD worth it? If you're on a budget and need a solid phone for basic tasks, it's a great choice. The performance, camera, and battery life will meet the needs of most casual users. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more updates on budget-friendly smartphones.